Hey, what's up my good people? Welcome on board. This Waruo Photographist here, and today we went to a client over to her place, and we installed her beautiful brackets and some curtain rods. These were looking so good. Then she brought the curtains over. She brought the curtains, the shears, and she told us to install them for her. Well, it was a nice request, so we decided to do so. We installed this shear. Shear is this netish curtain, where the one that is used behind the main curtains, so that when you draw your curtains to the wall, the shear is left behind to control the amount of light that is entering, and also to make sure that whoever is on the outside cannot see what's happening on the inside of the house. All right, so we installed those ones. Then we installed these curtains. The curtains, they came in sets of 4, where 2 are floral and 2 are plain. So you decide how to put them. You can put the floral on the floral ones at the ends and the plain one at the middle. The plain ones are called breakers, where they break the monotonous flow of colors within your house. So you're like, you see floral, then you see plain, then you see floral. It gives your house a nice color and texture. So we installed that one. That was window 1, or in the main sitting room, and it looked good. Yeah, it did look good. So we did that. We put that, and then I started on putting the other ones, the shear first, because you see the shear is behind the main curtain. So I put this shear on. I put it on then put it on the door, then put on the curtains in the same order, where we started with the florals, and then the breakers, and then the floral again. And that one also looked good. Then we went to the dining and the rest of the house too. So if you'd love us to do some good work just like this happy client has, like we have done in the house of this happy client, you can consider following, and then you can DM me. I'll connect you. I'll get you. You'll come and install the brackets and install the good curtain that you brought. So thank you for watching. It's been your boy Waruo Photographist. You can consider hitting that subscribe button if you are new here. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for watching, and until the next video, adios amigos. Adios.